2023 Toyota Raize, the first mini SUV in Toyota with 1.0-liter engine with turbo, with only 3-cylinder. Maximum output 97 horsepower. Continuous variable transmission type CVT. Fuel consumption 20.6 km per liter. Front wheel drive. 5 passenger including driver. Price 73,310 Saudi Riyal. Front sensor. The car is equipped with 8 inches connected display audio and with 4 pieces speakers for more audible sound. Shark fin antenna. Raize has a compact SUV with spacious luggage in width and with height, even when backseat has occupied. They install rear camera for more clear vision when reversing, and supported with the rear sensor for more safety when reversing. Rear tire drum brake system. This compact SUV can be used for transporting mini furnitures like cabinet when the second row was pulled down. The front tire was equipped with disc brake system.